We're trying to change people's perception of our school. Our school is usually seen in a negative light. We're trying to bring back school spirit for sure, and we've been trying to be more involved in our community as well.
Right now we're doing a canned food drive. We have done a 100 house last year with the seniors. We come up with themes every week. During football season, every week we come up with theme on Fridays.
We also organize homecoming week activities where everyone shows out their Cougar pride. Most of our activities and things we do are about us being united and making others feel included.
One of the ideals I instilled in student council is that we have to now lead from the front of the room and not the back. Many times my students, they had really good ideas, they had ideas on how they wanted to change things, but they were afraid to step to the front and let their ideas be heard. And so in student council, I encourage all of my students when they have ideas and they have a problem and a solution that they step forward and let us know what it is.
I want to know that my voice is being heard and that I have a say in what goes in the school, because student council helped me with my leadership skills as a co-captain for a dance team, and also these are great leadership skills to have in the real world, not just high school.
To me, student council is about leadership. It's about uplifting school spirit, about making others feel involved. And I love that because I love being a part of something that's going to change our environment.
And so many of the students are beginning to lean on one another to help and to move each other forward. If one doesn't have, then the others are trying to step in and say, hey, I'll help you out, I'll lend a hand and help you. And that's something that my student council members are doing. They're out in the hallways and in the community lending a hand and just being that person that people can lean upon for help if needed.
We all have to adapt to these new changes. And something that Marque and its people have is that we always come together in times of need, and this year is one of those times. So I'm sure together we can make this year be the best that it can be.